Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva Pro for creating resume and portfolio exports, full guide step by step clearly. Open your internet browser. Type www.canva.com in the address bar. Press the enter key to navigate to the Canva website. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and password. Input your registered email address in the provided field. Next, enter your password in the designated area. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Canva dashboard. To start creating your resume, type Resume in the search bar at the top. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits your style. To customize the template, click on it to open the design editor. Replace the placeholder text with your personal information and experience. You can adjust fonts, colors, and images as needed to suit your preferences. When you are satisfied with your resume, locate the Share button on the top right. Click on Share, then select Download. Choose your desired file format for export, such as PDF or PNG. Click on the Download button to save your resume to your device. To create a portfolio, return to the dashboard. Type Portfolio in the search bar and explore the available options. Select a portfolio template that resonates with your work. Open the template in the design editor and customize it with your projects and descriptions. Make sure all images and text reflect your skills and accomplishments effectively. Once completed, repeat the download process to save your portfolio. You now have your resume and portfolio ready for sharing or printing. Enjoy creating and showcasing your professional work with Canva Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.